Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I just finished work. It's Thursday afternoon, guys, and I'm currently in High Point Shopping Center, guys, because I dropped Mimi and Paris here today, this afternoon, and I'm here to pick them up. But before we go home, we should, go have a look around. Yeah, so I'll show you around, guys. So here's the entrance, guys. It's a massive. Oh, it's warm in here. See, guys, Tiffany and Co. And we've got Saint Laurent in here. And of course, you'll see the Louis Vuitton. Oh my god. So I told Mimi that we're going to meet in front of Saint Laurent, guys, because it's it's where I dropped them earlier today. I'm not sure where they. I think they're there. See, guys, as you can see, beside Louis Vuitton is the Cartier shop. Got Dior. Oh my god, it's crazy here, guys. If you have money, I'm just here to window shop, guys. So we've got Givenchy, Fendi, and then Valentino, Celine. Oh my god. But here's my daughter here, huh? Hi, honey. Hello! Paris! Nak, palit ito sa Fendi, nakbe. Palit si mama, nakbe. Makuha sa makbe. Hadlo kayo, mak. Tanaon. See, guys, we're in the second floor. I think. Is it the second floor? Honey! Pa. Come on, let's go. Have a look around. Huh?
Ako yung tour guide, di ka na
Cause nice kay so dili mo. Sino sa ground? Ay, lower ground ito. Yeah. So guys, they've got Loewe. Kabalo ka, Mac. Ang pag-pronounce ko na maka Loewe.
W mo na ka.
I don't know. Ito na, guys. Miu Miu. And so on, guys. All the big brands are here, guys. Tama na kita sa tingin ani, guys. Yes, careful. Careful, sorry. Let's go. Guys, got Coach. So cool. Come on, sweetie.
Wala kayo ni Pangkon.
Huh?
Wala kayo ni pangandaman sa sticker po yun.
Ganit. What's the brand? What is the brand? Sneaker Boy. Sneaker Boy. It looks so cool, guys. The design. Out of this world. Hey, what are you doing? Come on. Do you want mama to carry? Bayabo na ang kuan mo, Popsi. Carry, mama? Ay, Gigi, come on. Come on. Oh. Ito na may one, guys, ay. Mayukay. Ano lagi talaga ang makbar? So, for your money.
Mga ilang mga bag, diba kayo? Murag mga Prada.
Siya na nag-lighting din, guys. We should go in, ma. Sa dito. Hello, mama. What's it up?
Badam.
Mabaklay ka, be. What's wrong? Gary? I'll go yards.
Pak, lami kay buhok na. Buhi kayo.
Wala na rest in peace. Guys, oh, pakita ni Mako. Guys, bagay na sa ako, guys.
Uy, Santa Claus. Mahalin ba natin yung manamang winter?
Cinderella, pati Cinderella, guys, oh. Ay, kaya hindi naman eh, guys.
Tiyali pati. Cute kayo lang shoes tiyo, mura Gucci. To?
Mga butterfly na. Hindi ka nakatay. Ano ko rin yung maklayos na sapatos?
Panalaki lagi makla.
Baby. Kota?
Nadya po nilang takit bag tiyo?
Mura ragkuan. Louis Vuitton nga style. Nice Zimmerman dito, guys. Oh. Kate Spade.
Igulang lalaki. Tulo ka
Good baker.
For daughter daw. Naminaw, ramin diyan ni Malta.
Ito.
Yes. Apple, guys. Pero may ginabisi ang apple, guys. Eh, tagkami ka tao. Here, Mac.
I know sometimes it's longer.
Siya lang kilang mga couch diri, guys, to. May pang shopping center kay sa balay. Mac, love na ako ni mo ko. Ano kay style, Mac, na?
Pag-uwan ko ba ito ba niya?
Sandra. Oh. By Perla. Guys, kaya to ko kadjut, guys, eh. Guys, gano'n mang pobre magid ni, guys. Grabe dagan kay mga shops dili, guys. Oy, talagang na lang taning, guys. Ang kaka-afford. Talagang ano, mga batos na ko. Actually, guys, it's really big shopping center in the east. Yeah, all the big brands, designers. So, namin sa second, ano, ano sa ni Mac? Mac, Mingay. Saan siya? Ground level? Ground level guys. Manawag mi sa lower ground guys kay murag dito na babagay mong beauty guys. Mangukay na guys. Oy. Yan, saka ng buwang. Hala, uli na. Babay na tita na ako. Lala. Guys, na Tesla guys. Oh, bite sa sakyanan guys ha. Kaya na flat mo na sakyanan guys. Oy, may Tesla lang kay barato. Ano lagi din oh. Kita guys. Barato na na eh. Hindi ko anak barato pa eh. May ka Maxima. Guys, kung milyonaryo ka, milyonaryo ka guys. Maging ang siya para nimo guys. Pero kanis siya, may kagi KFC. KFC na tama siya guys. Bitaw guys. It's so cool, like how they do the thing. See, very stylish.
Kung gayong ka ng grabe ka wide ang utok sa gay mo, di ba?
Murag airport. Opo kayo siya nag-smile. Ang biyahe ma'am.
Kung gani mo namin tawag sa airport.
Feels ba? I did a Zara. Mother is Zara ma. Pakita ang name ni Zara ma. Diyan ka makukay. Tamang gina diha mak.
Spring na kayo da. Itong nasa taas. Ay na raw. Taas Japon.
Uy, sakto rin. Saan eh?
High waist?
Mid-rise man.
Ngayon ang mid-rise di ka kakuha na itong bil-bil.
Iya ba?
Siyempre.
Bitaw mo. Mid-rise dito ma?
Taas lang siya ti. Hala!
Hala.
Okay ra.
Nabili ko na siya. Yes, siya guys. Si. Pagwapa ka na. Wow, eyebrow by. Shush. Shush.
Eyeshadow. Mascara.
Ay, na siya mascara by. Lamtik kay pilok. Lipstick ta, lipstick.
Contour.
Lipstick ba?
Lipstick.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah.
Good job.
Contour.
Blush ta, blush. Blush. Wow, beautiful kay baby.
Blush. Blush.
Good girl.
Last eyeshadow.
Hala, ba na mga eyeshadow?
Tsada pang video. Nice kain.
Pila ka lang H&M guys, oh. Grabe kahayag. Mahal siguro kailang kurintiyan ito. Gani lang ma-print karon guys so kay spring na spring. As mang style karon. Bitaw. Kuan ka inspired. Sulod tag JJ's guys. Yes, honey?
Ano ang gananti baka na bitang cute kaya ang diniti tayo mukha mo.
Hindi na maigot yung
Tan kayo.
40 mahal pa guys. Spring na kayo sila guys. Guys, surprise nag-bra guys na.
Ano tayo mag si Petra? Ano siya si Petra?
Bakit kami tama kayo nakari? Ako. I'm drawn into this color.
This is not favorite color. Di pa mo kung ingaling nga shop, diba?
So guys, ikaw po yung nabisang lakaw-lakaw guys. I just ordered food from there. And Mimi's gonna go get something for her. Paabot kami guys. Gutom na kayo. Sakit na kayo kunting guys. Ako nangitan pa ng sapatos. Hi honey! Come here. Busy kayo sila dali guys. Oh? And
Fried rice and sweet and sour.
yan. Ikaw bata. Sa'yo mo. Uy. Ang dali niya guys. Oh. White. Pagkahay sa oh. Islo ka. Suka na. Padoon ta. Why? ako guys. Basta. Uyog. Uy, tara ko guys, oh. Sarap. Guys, salmon chowder. The fried rice siya guys, nice salmon guys. Bon appetit! Bon appetit! Yummy! Lamig na? Cheers favorite. Cheers favorite. Kaon sa may guys sa guys, muna may kaon guys. Mungita sa akong sinilas guys, ay grabe kasakit yung tiil. Feels pamar. Feels pamar guys.
Diyan na lang din sa surf. Naman mga sinilas diya.
Na, mahal ka na kaya kay. How was your food, honey? How was your food? Did you like it?
I like the food tea.
Did you like your
Better
food?
than Jumbo.
So yeah, guys, ulit na din may karong taon guys kaya sana yung oras anak ba? Dati here ti oh kumahal ba bes kaniti oh milyabong 2 pesos for $30. Uy.
Wala man lang pa.
Ha?
Na, 150.
Ninyo guys, lantawan ninyo na iyang kiyo. Kadako, kabugat, kataas. Hills pa more.
Basta pa, bata.
Para sa pagbata.
Good shop sa mong daddy na ko.
Hills man Japon. Ana, dito tiyo murag kuan tiyo mag Hermes. Pero tiyo. Love. Sige pa. Kaya ang cellphone, pag lang ka, 5% naman. Paningit-ngit na kayo. Luyot ko. Hindi man ka, boring naman kung may moment kaya ate Dani last na minute. Lagi ko ba? Hindi mo dalan. Take COVID ka pala. Okay pa. Okay pa. So cute. Honey. Surprise. Jacinto. Is that bad? Is that for the pair or?
Maybe for the top lang. Siksi kaya mga bata.
Honey?
Have a look how cute this thing is, guys. Cute kayo, guys. Ang presyo na rin cute kayo ba? Ting tiriring. Yeah, $75. But nice. Nak, ay sa nak. I-try ni mama nak, be. Nak. Shh. Paris. Paris siya. Napakigula naman na sa'yo. Ito isa ni mama, be. Ay. Come on. Do you wanna try this? Wanna hold up?
Next.
Yeah, try. Hold. Yeah, hold it up. Be, mama will have a look. Be, hold it up, be. Mama will have a look.
Show mama like this, like that.
Wow, bagay kay boy. Ate Weng, nari mo gusto mo bagahe Ate Weng? Remawa. Ang bata nga nagmanya na guys, so. Mama, come on. Guys, Christian Louboutin. Wala kayo mga sapatos guys. So beautiful. Namik kay shoes guys. Mahalon man te. We need to go. Balenciaga.
Saan na lang giti guys?
Te. Te. China all.
Uli ang bag mo. Saro ito budget mo.
Ikaw ra dito te, dari ra ko. Sakit na na yung tail ki.
Ano na kaya ra na kakayani.
Same sa imo na. Ang duha dito na. Nagapay.
Pero white lang ito. Tatak flat. Yes. Naman. Uy, abi niya. Nilaw siya. Abi niya ko sa amin. Yeah.
So guys, gusto mo kung masulog kag Leviton guys, maglinya pa kadres gawas. Hino ko. Okay, Gucci guys. Oh, okay. Maghulat pa guys, ginahin gawas isa. Ay, hata makasulod. Ay, so wakas nakasulod jud ko guys. At nilang mga sapatos guys.
I'm out, guys. Seriously, guys, you have to wait outside and wait for someone to come out, and then they will take your name, so someone will come and assist you. Can you spot my baby girl, guys? Hi. See ya, guys. Guys, uy, mahal ka, guys. Uy. Char tong ako. Hi, baby girl. Hi, madam. Madam. Hi, madam. So yeah, guys, I think that's about it for today's video. It is very exhausting, guys, just walking around with these freaking heels. It's hurting my feet, guys. But thanks God, we're going home now. Hello, what do you think about High Point Shopping Center?
High Point.
High Point, Chadstone. Eh.
It's good to see you in 4 years.
Grabe, guys. One of the guys, ice eye candy, guys, ba? Like it looks, everything looks really good, guys. All the brands are here. It's para sa mga mayayaman na, guys.
Freaking. Sabi ka mahal.
Para sa mga mayayaman na, guys. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. As always, I'm very grateful for your time. And yeah, I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful.
honey, say bye. Bye.